Let's look at the address book. If you want to find the address book, you can go over to the left side of your screen on the toolbar menu and select Address Book. This is the address book page. The purpose of this page is to increase efficiency in your workflow for creating mail pieces by having easy access to your most used addresses. One of my most used addresses is John Test at 821 Main Street North. Now, when I'm creating a piece in Create Tracking, I only have to click two buttons to say I want to send this address. Otherwise, I would have to type out the entire address or copy and paste it in. But because it's in my address book, I don't have to do that. So how can we add more addresses? Well, over here we have two buttons, Import Address File and New Address Book Entry. Let's look at New Address Book Entry. On this page, we can enter in any address that we like manually and click Save, and it will wind up in our address book. But if we want to add a lot of addresses at once, this will take a really long time, which is why we also have Import Address File. With Import Address File, we simply need to browse the file that we want, select it, and all we have to do is upload the file, and those addresses will be in our address book. We can even select which kinds of users we want and filter by location or department. Now you know how the address book functions and how it helps you complete your daily tasks as efficiently as possible.